Freaky factors. Factors are whole numbers that can be multiplied with another number to make a new number. For example, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. That means that we can multiply these together to make 24. 1 times 24 equals 24. 2 times 12 equals 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. The first question is true or false. A, is 9 a factor of 27? That means, can you multiply 9 by something to make 27? 9 times 3 equals 27. So the answer is true. 9 is a factor of 27. Is 9 a factor of 45? 9 times 5 equals 45. So the answer is true. Is 4 a factor of 14? 4 multiplied by nothing equals 14. So false. 4 is not a factor of 14. Number 2 says, list all the factors of the following numbers. The first one is already done. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. That means you can multiply those factors to make 15. 1 times 15 equals 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. Have a go at 20. 1 times 20 equals 20. 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 times nothing. 4 times 5 equals 20. 6 times nothing. So, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Number 3. The instructions say, colour the which by using division to find the missing factors and the key for the correct colour. So the first one says 14 equals 2 times what? So we know that 2 sevens are 14. 7 is purple, and that is A. So we get our purple pencil and colour in A. Have a go at the rest by yourself. Good luck!